Hey guys, you're watching Dia Dash, and today I'm doing a little treat for you guys. I'm doing a tutorial. I had this on my Noble Scribe channel, and of course the bastards censored me for talking about the scorpion stings, so I'm trying to be a little smart. But I'm just doing a redo. This is going to be a natural toothpaste. Guys, check out your fluoride. It's complete trash. I actually had a bottle of Colgate. I won't even get it. It has fluoride. Every toothpaste nowadays has fluoride. It's considered a rat poison. It's an active ingredient. Guys, it's an active ingredient. Yeah, sodium fluoride. It's not good for us. It's not going to help your teeth. What will is melting down some coconut oil, which I took the liberty of doing. And it ended up being almost 1 fluid cup. Just to make this easy, because to save time, I already scooped in 2/4 of a cup of baking soda. Baking soda will whiten your teeth. It's an antimicrobial. It'll take care of so much. That's a time-tested cleanser. It has, a nice light abrasion. Okay. You can see, and we are all very familiar. There's just so many uses for baking soda, guys. You cannot go wrong. And of course, when you purchase it, make sure it has the nutritional label on it, and it's not the kind that just deodorizes the refrigerator. Those are not the food grade, just so you make sure it has like the calories and all that, so you know. And you'd want to get many boxes of these because, I use it for so much. I make my own deodorants. So many products, And so even just rinsing your mouth with a little baking soda and distilled water will kill a lot of pathogens and a lot of bacteria, which is really the source of most cavities, right? We just really need to keep it clean. I advise getting a water pick if you don't have one. Water picks are great. So I'm just gonna move over my stuff. So yeah, I did 2/4 of a cup. I know there's a lot of vids out there. I'm just putting my 2 cents. Just also, if you have any periodontal issues, they say if you add a bit of turmeric to said baking soda, like you would put some in, mix it. I had to do that because I have a bad tooth from getting bad dental work. Of course, it's all bad. So I had excruciating pain in doing that. Yeah, it tastes a little different. It's fine. It's actually going to kill a lot of, it's an analgesic and I actually had less pain, but now I want to go back to my regular toothpaste, which is basically just baking soda. I already measured this here. This is your base. So I'm going to stir this in. And so I put, basically it's a 1/2 cup of baking soda in here, which is totally fine. I'm probably going to add more because the whole thing, right guys, you want it to actually be semi-firm because you see how it has a lot of, here we go. See how it has a lot of pull? You actually want it a little firmer than that because you're going to add essential oils. You can add spearmint. Today I'm using peppermint oil, organic preferably, of course, but use what you have. Don't let this be a deterrent. Say you only have the coconut oil and baking soda. Shoot, if you only have baking soda, it's better than any type of commercial toothpaste out there. Let me tell you, it's going to be better. Just that and put in some water, like making a paste. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup because, I've been tweaking this recipe. It can be a pain. So everyone likes it different. I like mine a bit more firm because I know what happens when it does firm up. It only firms up a little bit. Can you see? See, I like that. See how it's a little tougher? It's more of a paste, but like a pudding. And you just keep going. Yeah, I have the little work music. So cool, guys. You know, I like get all the clumps out. I love doing tutorials because we all need to start getting away from these commercial brands. Fluoride is not the way. Look at all the studies. I should find one. I got to do a vid just on that topic. And they found the countries that were actually putting fluoride in the water system, the people had really bad teeth. Just saying. Hasn't helped anyone. People do get brown spots, though, and all kind of nasties. And just look at most people's teeth. Are they really any better? I don't think so. So see how that gets really nice, guys? So you can get like a little, you know, a squeeze container. You know, I use this for now. Don't mind me. I don't really have anything great for today, but I'm going to put the drops. I love peppermint. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stir as you drop in. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It should give a nice flavor without being overpowering. So that's how I like mine. It's going to be a little firm. Obviously, you want, you know, if you can find empty squeeze bottles, I'm sure you can find silicone empty ones like at Target. I need to order some. It smells so good. Let me smell this guy. Yeah, I like the scent. It's not too strong. You can use spearmint. They say spearmint is really great for the children. They like that. But yeah, if you were to add the turmeric, you could have added it right here too. It would give it like an orange color, so what? But if you have like excruciating pain in your teeth, I'd have to do a vid on how great it is and what turmeric can do. So we're just going to do it that way so you can see what I'm doing here. So like, wow, look, it's so much. Gonna fill that up. It's gonna thicken up, guys. Leaves your breath smelling so good. And at least you're really cleaning your teeth. If you think you're cleaning your teeth, guys, with commercial products, no, that stuff is really bad for you. And people really rely on these brands. They're so addicted. You know, it goes to show you witchcraft is real. Because these brands, man, you know, even Arm & Hammer with their, you know, a lot of them have baking soda, but then look at all the other stuff. I just showed you. Like, look, we only needed a couple of ingredients, right? Literally 3 ingredients, guys. Coconut oil, extra virgin is best. You just let that solidify in room temperature. You can have a little scoop, you know. This is all I have for today for like containers because I had like a bunch of these. I'm not really a fan of like the push top ones because like the suction sometimes it just like sucks it up. But yeah, baking soda, pure baking soda. Make sure you get the one for baking. Has the nutritional content. Let me see if I have some regular toothpaste. I thought I did, but I don't. Yeah, it has fluoride. I usually only keep toothpaste to clean sneakers, and the white's good to like bleach. But that's it, guys. Or like to spot treat. That's all I'll buy that crap for. I wouldn't put it in my mouth, guys. Don't put that stuff in your mouth. Look, you can make this over and over again. So I have this in the little containers. So I got 2. Like this will last me a few weeks, guys. I mean, if you're not using one, obviously having like a squeegee is like a little better. But you can put one in the fridge and while you're using the other. And then when it's done, you're all set. But like that's going to last a while and it's way better. You can use this for other things too. Peppermint oil has great qualities. It's great for headaches and stuff. So, I mean, you're not going to go wrong using that stuff. Blends well pretty nicely with lavender. And of course, baking soda, you can use this too. This will like whiten your whites. You can actually put this in distilled water and drink it, and it's going to make your body more alkaline. And a lot of people dealing with the big C, you know, they can just put this in some water, and it will be a lot less acidic, guys, you know. So I think we should worry about, you know, just going back to nature, because I'm all about doing natural stuff on my channel. This is a holistic channel, you know, with the word holy in it. Hence, we don't want to deal with chemicals and poisons, because we know our gums are such tender tissue that, you know, things are absorbed very easily in your gums, guys. So be careful what you put in your mouth.